Ever felt a deep longing for something more? Maybe it's a dream career, a loving relationship, or a life filled with abundance and joy. That longing is a sign of your limitless potential. But if you've tried to make those dreams real and felt stuck, you're not alone. Too often, we're told that getting what we want is a long, hard road filled with struggle and uncertainty. What if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? What if there's a simpler, easier path to unlock your desires? There is. You might have heard of manifestation before. Maybe you've tried some methods, even read books or watched videos. Perhaps you've felt a glimmer of hope, a spark of possibility. But all too often, those sparks fizzle out. Why? It's because the way we're usually taught to manifest is, well, wrong. It's like trying to build a house with the blueprints upside down. You might get a few walls up, but it's never going to be the beautiful home you envisioned. One of the biggest traps is focusing on what we don't have. We obsess over the lack of money, the absence of love, the missing pieces of our dream life. But when we fixate on the lack, we only attract more of it. It's like trying to fill a hole by digging it deeper. Then there's the overcomplication. Some methods have you creating vision boards, chanting affirmations, and doing complex rituals. While these tools can be helpful, they often turn into a chore, a burden that weighs us down instead of lifting us up. We get so caught up in the doing that we forget the most important part, the being. And let's not forget the slow results. We're promised that if we just do the right things, our dreams will magically appear. But days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and still nothing changes. We start to doubt ourselves, our methods, even the entire concept of manifestation. We feel like we're not doing it right, that we're somehow not worthy of our desires. But here's the truth. You are worthy. Your dreams are valid, and manifestation doesn't have to be a struggle. There's a simpler, more natural way to align with your desires. A way that doesn't require you to become someone you're not, or to do things that feel forced and unnatural. What if I told you that your mind is the most powerful tool you have for creating your reality? It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's the truth. Your thoughts, your beliefs, they're not just fleeting ideas. They're the architects of your life. Every thought you have, every feeling you experience, is a seed. Some seeds grow into weeds of doubt and fear, while others blossom into the vibrant flowers of your dreams. The choice of which seeds to water is yours. When you align your thoughts and feelings with your desires, you become a magnet for those desires. You start to see opportunities you never noticed before. You attract the right people and circumstances into your life. It's like tuning your radio to the right frequency. Suddenly, the music you want to hear comes through loud and clear. But how do you actually do this? How do you tune your mind to the frequency of your dreams? That's where the simplified approach comes in. It's about stripping away the unnecessary complexity, the rituals and routines that make manifestation feel like a chore. It's about returning to the essence of what manifestation truly is, aligning yourself with what you want. This approach is based on 3 simple principles. Clarity. Get crystal clear about what you desire. Not just the surface level stuff, but the deeper essence of it. What feelings do you want to experience? What kind of life do you want to create? The clearer your vision, the stronger your magnetic pull. Focus. Direct your attention to what you want, not what you don't want. It's like shining a spotlight on your desires. The more you focus on them, the brighter they become. Ease. Let go of the struggle, the striving, the feeling that you have to make things happen. Instead, allow yourself to simply be with your desires. Trust that the universe is working with you, not against you. This first step is all about getting to the heart of what you truly want. It's easy to get caught up in vague wishes or societal expectations, but those won't fuel your manifestation journey. Instead, take some time to truly connect with your deepest desires. What makes your heart sing? What brings a smile to your face just thinking about it? It could be anything: a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, vibrant health, financial abundance, or a life filled with adventure. Don't limit yourself to what you think is possible. Allow yourself to dream big. But here's the key. Don't just focus on the thing you want. Focus on the feeling it will give you. When you have that dream job, how will you feel? Accomplished, empowered, excited. When you're in that loving relationship, what emotions will fill your heart? Joy? Peace? Deep connection? By focusing on the feelings, you're not just manifesting a thing, you're manifesting a state of being, and that's when the magic truly happens. Now that you're clear on your desires, it's time to bring them to life. Visualization is a powerful tool that allows you to create a mental blueprint of your dreams. It's like planting seeds in the fertile soil of your imagination. Close your eyes and picture yourself already living your dream. See yourself in that dream job, feeling the satisfaction of a day well spent. See yourself surrounded by loved ones, laughing and sharing precious moments. See yourself enjoying vibrant health, doing the things you love with energy and vitality. But don't just see it, feel it. Let the emotions of having your desire wash over you. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement. The more vividly you can experience these emotions, the stronger your attraction power becomes. It's like sending a signal to the universe. This is what I want, and I'm ready to receive it. And the universe will always respond to the vibrations you emit. This final step is often the most challenging, but it's also the most crucial. Once you've clarified your desires and visualized them with feeling, it's time to release your grip. It may seem counterintuitive, but the more you try to force or control the outcome, the more resistance you create. It's like trying to push a river to flow faster. You'll only exhaust yourself in the process. Instead, trust that the universe has a plan for you, a plan that's far greater than you can imagine. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't dig it up every day to see if it's growing, would you? You'd water it, nurture it, and trust that in time, it will sprout and blossom into something beautiful. The same principle applies to your desires. Once you've planted the seeds of intention, let them go and trust that they will bloom in their own perfect timing. Surrendering to the universe's timing doesn't mean being passive. It means taking inspired action when it feels right, but not forcing things that aren't meant to be. It means staying open to the signs and synchronicities that will guide you along the way. While the three-step process is the foundation of this simplified approach, there are additional techniques you can use to amplify your manifestation power. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's a vibrational state, a way of being that opens the floodgates of abundance. When you express gratitude, you're focusing on the good in your life, which attracts more good. Start a gratitude practice by writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day. It could be as simple as a sunny day, a delicious meal, or a kind word from a friend. As you focus on these blessings, you'll notice your mood lifting, your energy expanding, and your overall sense of well-being increasing. This positive vibration makes you a magnet for even more things to be grateful for. Affirmations are positive statements that affirm your desires as already true. They're like seeds you plant in your subconscious mind, which then grow into powerful beliefs. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them regularly, especially when you first wake up and before you go to bed. Say them out loud, write them down, or even sing them, whatever feels most natural to you. As you repeat these affirmations, feel the emotions associated with them. For example, if your affirmation is, "I am abundant and prosperous," feel the joy and gratitude of already having that abundance. Acting as if your desire is already manifested is a powerful way to embody the energy of what you want. It's like stepping into a role, playing the part until it becomes your reality. If you want to attract your dream job, start dressing for it, updating your resume, and networking with people in that field. If you want a loving relationship, start taking yourself on dates, doing the things you would enjoy with a partner, and creating space in your life for that special someone. The key is to act, speak, and think as if your desire is already yours. This not only convinces your subconscious mind that it's possible, but it also sends a clear signal to the universe. I'm ready for this. By incorporating these advanced tips into your manifestation practice, you'll not only accelerate your results, but also deepen your connection to your own power and the infinite possibilities that await you. Keep in mind that manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, trust the timing, and keep your heart open to the miracles that are unfolding around you. Now that you hold the keys to this simpler, more powerful approach to manifestation, it's time to unlock your dreams. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Step into your power, trust the process, and watch as your desires unfold in ways you never imagined. You are a creator. You have within you the ability to shape your reality, to manifest the life you've always dreamed of. So go forth, take inspired action, and allow the magic of manifestation to work its wonders in your life. If this video resonated with you, please show your support by giving it a like. And if you're ready to go deeper into the world of manifestation, consider subscribing to stay tuned for more insights and inspiration.